Hello, friends. So, I've been working across crypto testing infrastructure for about 15 years at this point, and Flash USDT platforms became my primary focus roughly 9 years ago, largely because this specific sector attracts more fraudulent operators than almost any other crypto niche. Honestly, probably 95% of services you'll encounter are running scams in various forms. Legitimate service providers are virtually extinct now, but one app represents the only platform I've used continuously long-term. Been working with them approximately 30 months now, 2.5 years. Consistent operational patterns throughout, transparent feature implementation, and zero unexpected behavioral changes. So, Flash USDT, when properly implemented, what you're actually generating are tokens that function as perfect visual duplicates of authentic Tether. The control layer is what differentiates them. You're establishing transfer quantity limits, configuring daily transaction caps, extremely practical for application stress testing, showing others blockchain mechanics in action, maintaining complete separation from actual capital.
So let me demonstrate this functioning. First selection is token quantity. 4 package tiers showing, each indicates pricing structure and recommended use scenarios. Let's grab this package. Good, so now I'm configuring visibility duration, spans from 1 hour all the way to 7 days. For this walkthrough, setting 24 hours. Okay, next I'm inputting target address and selecting generation network. So going with TRC20, then switching to wallet, copying my address, back to platform, pasting it in. Good, everything matches up. Final move is hitting buy Flash. So payment options are direct transfer or wallet connection. Wallet connection is cleaner. Selecting trust, processing transaction, and yes, perfect. 1 million tokens generated and dispatched. Now just waiting for balance update. So while confirmation happens, let me explain why this platform specifically earned my confidence. And it's entirely based on getting scammed repeatedly before finding legitimate operation.
First major financial loss occurred maybe 9 years back. Stumbled on one service absolutely everywhere online. Huge marketing push. Looked completely established with professional documentation. Invested around $310 on their professional package, believing higher pricing meant credibility. Tokens appeared in dashboard looking perfect, system showed successful generation and transfers, interface displayed everything functioning smoothly. Attempted blockchain verification independently though, completely empty. No transaction hashes existed anywhere, no smart contract activity visible, purely fabricated numbers in isolated database. Contacted support repeatedly, received automated acknowledgement once, then total silence. Website continued operating another 2 months, collecting funds before disappearing overnight. Pure exit scam operation. Scam sophistication has evolved dramatically. Many fraudulent platforms now exhibit more professional appearances than legitimate services do. Your protection relies on verification practices, not aesthetic trust. Always independently confirm blockchain activity through public explorers before trusting platforms claiming blockchain functionality. If transactions they claim exist don't appear in publicly accessible blockchain explorers anyone can verify, it's fraud regardless of interface quality. Legitimate operations maintain complete transparency because real blockchain activity is happening publicly with nothing requiring concealment. So, links in the pinned comment and description. Develop practical skills here safely. Avoid costly, painful lessons I experienced. Share your findings after testing. Later, guys.